Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are learning how to verify your email on Olymp Trade. Verifying your email ensures you can recover your account, receive notifications, and perform secure transactions. So if you are looking for a way to verify your email, then let's get started. Launch open Olymp Trade application on your device and log in. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, you'll come across this page where you'll need to click Settings at the bottom. After you're inside the Settings menu, click on the Contacts button. Under Contacts, click Confirm Email. Now, click on Get Email Code and you'll receive a verification code sent to your registered email. Wait for the email code to arrive. Go open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from Olymp Trade. Click it open and click on Confirm Email. Now follow through the on-screen instructions and you'll then be able to verify your email address. Now get back to your Olymp Trade application and you have successfully confirmed your email address. Your email status should now show as confirmed. So that is how you can easily verify your email. This will now give your account a better security and recovery options. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.